Bill Gates was once famous for pulling all-nighters and never taking vacations. He has entirely changed his mind about sleep habits and now puts emphasis on rest and recovery. Why? Because if you're burning out, you're actually doing your business more harm than good. As an entrepreneur, you're going to be motivated to put in 120-hour work weeks and grind on your idea. Sometimes it might be a good thing to put in the extra hours, but routinely doing this is harmful to your overall productivity and should be avoided. Bill learned this after his days at Microsoft and shared a few tips on how he gets a good night's sleep these days. Number 1, don't overheat. The optimal sleeping temperature is about 65 degrees, so if you're heating your house, make sure to let it get colder at night when sleeping. If that sounds too cold for you, try a pair of wool socks. Research shows keeping your feet warmer keeps your entire body warmer. Number 2, keep your alcohol intake in check. When you drink alcohol, it limits your ability to reach REM, or rapid eye movement sleep state. In this state is where your vivid dreams occur. If you wake up missing that, you're going to feel groggy the next day. And who likes running their business on a fuzzy mind? Number 3, try a 10 or 20 minute maximum nap during the day. If you didn't get that 6 to 8 hours of sleep, maybe a quick nap can help you get your back in your game. Just don't overdo it because it's going to interfere with your next night of sleep. Number 4, LEDs are great energy savers, but they're not great where you sleep. Have you heard of blue light? This is the type of light that's emitted from computer and phone screens that interferes with your body's ability to produce melatonin, a substance that helps you get good sleep. For this reason, many new glasses have blue light blocking abilities, and for that same reason, you should have a different type of light in the room that you sleep in. So, remember, a good night's sleep will give you the energy an entrepreneur needs to take on the day. That's it for now. If you're interested in entrepreneurship tips and tricks, like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be the first to know when a new video drops. I'll see you in the next vid. Ciao!